Hello and welcome. You watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Anija, and this is a brand new episode of Technical Gupshup, a show where we'll discuss the technical market outlook, key levels to watch out for, and 5 technical stock ideas that you can bet on at this point in time. Well, with the budget, monetary policy, and earnings seasons behind us, there are no major triggers to take the market forward. FIIs have been sustained sellers in the market since the beginning of 2023. Adani stocks also continue to be in focus. However, a healthy trend in the market is the sustained rise in SIPs. So, where are the markets headed going forward, and which are the key levels to watch out for, especially at this point in time? To discuss this and much more, let's welcome our guest on the show today. We have with us Mr. Osho Krishnan. He is a senior technical analyst at Angel One Limited. Thank you so much, Osho, once again for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television.
Tanya, thank you for inviting me in the show.
Great. So, Osho, let us start with the market outlook only. I mean, which are the levels to watch out for, especially at this point in time, because I think markets are range bound. So, and where are the markets headed in the near term, according to you?
This entire week has been very consolidation zone for Nifty and Bank Nifty, both indices. Both
Right.
have been facing a congestion phase of approximately 300 odd points in Nifty and 500 odd points in Bank Nifty. So that means there is no clear direction in the equity market as of now. But if we will be talking about the technical levels, then we have witnessed that on Nifty, we have witnessed there has been upward shift in the support zone. Previously, it was 17,500, which was a very important support zone for Nifty. But gradually, with the pass in the week, we are witnessing that 17,700 and 17,800 is becoming a very strong support. So that means there has been an upward shift in the support zone. But on the higher end, 18,000 call writers are very resilient to move their position from 18,000. And that is why 18,000 being one of the sturdy hurdle for the Nifty index. For Bank Nifty also, we are witnessing a very range bound movement as this was the eventful week. RBI monetary policy was also there. But in spite of that, there has been no major traction in the Bank Nifty counters also. Even the Bank Nifty has been in a very stiff range. On the higher end, 42,000 levels is the immediate hurdle for Bank Nifty. And on the downside, 40,800 to 41,000 level is can be seen as the initial support zone.
Okay, these are the key levels to watch out for. And also, what are your thoughts on Adani Group stocks? I mean, MSCI will reduce weightings of 4 Adani Group companies, and there are Adani Enterprises, Adani Total Gas, Adani Transmission, and ACC. So, where are these stocks headed, according to you?
See, technically, there has been no respite from the sell-off in the Adani Group, especially
Right.
present in the cash segment. That means
Okay.
all the counters from the cash segment are having a sell-off on day-to-day basis. We are witnessing a lower circuit on daily basis. But Adani Enterprises and Adani Port have something that they have restricted the sell-off for the time being. But there has been complication in the overall Adani Group, and there is volatility that we are expecting for the time being. So till the time
Okay.
Adani is will be in the news flow, so there we can witness a lot of volatility in the whole Adani Group companies. But technically, there has been a correction of approximately 50 to 60% in major of the companies. But again, from the technical point of view, yes, the retracement has been a very major. The retracement has taken a very major dive. But from the fundamental aspect, we again have to recheck with the management that whether the complications with the management or the corporate governance has been cleared or not. Until the time it won't be clear, then the volatility is likely to persist in the overall Adani group.
Absolutely. And also, Osho, what are your thoughts on all these new age tech stocks? I mean, Paytm and Zomato are in focus, especially after the December quarter results. And Macquarie has also upgraded the Paytm stock to outperform from underperform. So, what are your thoughts, and where are these stocks headed, according to you, in the near term?
See, overall, if we will be seeing these counters, then from the seller secular downtrend, these stocks have regained some kind of traction after, as you have mentioned, after the quarter three results, and
Yeah,
post that they have been on the buying trajectory. So for
right.
the time being, there can be some follow-up buying that can be witnessed, and those might be on a huge percentage basis. But till the
Okay.
time we are not witnessing some kind of very significant reversal and sustenance at higher levels, it will be difficult for these companies to sustain or to give another round of rally for the short term traders. So it
Hmm.
will be better to keep a watch on these counters, but the
Okay.
sustainability is still questionable for these counters. So till the time there won't be sustainability for a higher duration of time, it's better to stay sidelines or to be a very short term trader, that one should book one should get entry in a day, and by 1 to 2 days they should even book their profits also.
Okay, that's the word coming in. And now let's come to top technical stock picks. So, which are the top five technical stock ideas that you are betting on at this point in time?
The first one is ONGC. ONGC has seen
Okay.
a very strong reversal from the 100-day exponential moving average. Currently, it
Okay.
is hovering near 144, 145 levels. So from here onwards, one can try to accumulate the counter. On the
Okay.
downside, there is a limitation of 139. So one should keep a strict stop loss of 139. And for short-term trader, one can expect a target of 152. The second counter is Havels. Havels in this week have seen a very strong breakout from the levels of 1200, currently hovering around 1210. One can accumulate the share at the present price. 1175 should be kept as the stop loss. On the higher end, for immediate target or immediate short term traders, we can expect a target of 1258. But from here onwards, also, we are very much bullish in the counter, and we can
Okay.
expect 1280 from medium term perspective. The
Okay.
third one is Titan. After the quarter three result, Titan has seen a very strong buying traction from the lower levels and currently hovering above 2450, 2460 levels. So from here onwards, one can try to accumulate the stock, keeping a stop loss of 2400 for the immediate upside target of 2540, 2520 levels. But from here onwards, also, we are very much bullish in this counter. So from a medium term perspective, one can even try to accumulate and keep this counter for a higher and a better return.
Okay.
The fourth one is Asian Paint. Asian Paint is witnessing some kind of traction from the lower levels. The stock has corrected a lot and it has been hovering in the oversold region from quite a time. But from last session, we are witnessing some kind of buy traction in this counter and currently hovering around 2800, 2810 levels. So one can
Okay.
accumulate the same stock at current levels also, keeping a stop loss of 2705, which is the immediate swing low, for the upside target of 2970. And the last counter is from the gas companies, MGL. MGL is having a very strong traction in the past few trading session. 890 is the current market price. One can accumulate the counter from here onwards for the upside target of 935, keeping a stop loss of 860.
Okay, absolutely. So ONGC, Havells, Titan, Asian Paints, and MGL. These are the five top technical stock picks that you can bet on at this point in time. And on that wonderful note, thank you so much, Osho, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television.
Thank you.
So, with that, let's wrap up this edition of Technical Gupshup. Many thanks for tuning in.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.